Hi, everyone, and welcome to Construct 3. Construct 3 is a free web-based game builder program where you can create your own game and learn about basic programming concepts at the same time. While you are using Construct 3, you will learn about key programming concepts, things like condition and action. What's an example of condition and action? Well, think about Spotify. If you have Spotify or any music streaming app, what you're doing when you're playing is you're pressing the play button, and if the button is pressed, you're satisfying a condition, and that condition, once satisfied, will do some action like play the song. So the condition is if a button is pressed, like the play button, the action is a song will play. So that's an example, and we're going to learn about that, plus some other things like variables and other programming concepts while we use Construct 3. One reason I've chosen Construct 3 is it is a web-based tool. So you can open it up with Google Chrome. So as long as you're on a Windows machine or a Mac or a Chromebook, you can get to Construct 3. Also, what I like about it is you can save all your files to your Google Drive. This way, if you are at home, you can access your Google Drive and your game files, or you can access your files at school when you are logged in. So for this project, we are going to save to our Google Drive. Let's keep all of our files in Google Drive. You might want to spend some time organizing your Google Drive so you can make it easy to find things in there. When you sign up for Construct 3, it is free. And when you log in, you're going to see that you get to do a ton of different things, but there are some limitations. Construct 3 is a company that has built this platform, and yes, they do want to earn some money off this. So the free version has some limitations. I do not want you to pay for extra features. So if you have been asked to pay, you may have exceeded the free limitations, and we don't want to do that. So what I suggest is, as you are building your game, keep trying it. Every 15 minutes or so, make sure that it runs properly and make sure any features that you've recently added work. But also, if you've exceeded the free limitations, it will tell you you may have to go back and delete something because you've exceeded those free limitations. So we don't want you to pay for this. Just watch out that there are some limitations to Construct 3. Before you begin your project, there's a few important things to go over. First thing, at the end of this project, you will be doing a screen recording of your game design and functionality. You are going to be recording video and audio of your game and some of your design features, your gameplay, and you're going to make a video including audio that will be no longer than 5 minutes. 2, you must include basic elements as shown in my videos, which are upcoming. The basic elements basically ensure that your game is personalized and you have built this game, not someone else, or you've got it from somewhere. So very important that you follow the instructions when you build this. You must have your own initials in parts of the game. That is very important. Now, can you do more than what I've shown you in the videos? Yes, absolutely. You're going to use the power of Google and YouTube to learn and build your game that demonstrates as much complexity as you can handle. For example, you could add things like health bars, moving enemies, a start page, an end screen. So there's a lot of different things that you can add to your game. I want you to kind of gravitate to things that you like to do. Maybe you like building sprites. Maybe you like building special things in your background, whatever it is. Scores, health bars, whatever it is. I want you to enjoy building this game and be creative. What are the mandatory elements? Well, we need to have animated sprites with your first initial. So my initial is T in my first name, so you're going to see that my sprites have a T in it, and that's why I want you to have that. You're going to have what we call a tile background. I'll explain what a tile background is in the videos, but you're going to put your initials in the tile background. We are building a platform game, and I'll give you some examples of what that is and what it looks like coming up. Third, don't forget to keep saving to your Google Drive as you are working. Don't assume that it will automatically save everything. So every 10-15 minutes, you're going to go to save, you're going to go to cloud, and you're going to save to your Google Drive. So please remember to keep doing that. You don't want to lose all your fantastic work. Keep saving every 10 to 15 minutes. Ultimately, I want you to have fun building a game with Construct 3. We get to learn a lot about different programming concepts and at the same time have fun building a game that is very personalized and something that we have built and can be very proud that we built. So I hope you enjoy this platform. I do find that it works very well. There are the odd time that there are some glitches. You might have to close and reopen something, but for the most part, I find it pretty stable and it has a lot of different features, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun with it. So that's it for this video. You can watch the next one when you are ready. We will talk to you then.